Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here to do draw a fruit popsicle. So let's get started. To draw this yummy fruit popsicle, let's first start by drawing the top. So I'm going to start right here and just go ahead and draw this curve for the top of the popsicle. So say about right there. And then I'm going to bring it down. And then, let's see here, as I come down, about there, I'm going to start to go all the way down on both sides. So it's all up to you how how tall or short you want your popsicle. I'll just go back and forth. I'm just drawing a very general shape here. So maybe about right there. I'm going to start to bring it in. Round this corner off. Same thing on the other side. And connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There. Just a very basic popsicle shape, right? And then let's come back, and since we're down here, I'm going to go ahead and find my center, which is about, say, right there. And I'm just going to go to the left and go to the right to draw my popsicle stick. So I'm going to go straight down right there and then just round it off for the bottom. There. Okay, so now we can make it whatever we want, right? Now that we have this basic shape in for our popsicle. And today let's add some, we're making this a fruit one. So I'm going to come right about here and add this big curve on this corner for like maybe a big slice of kiwi. And then I'm not going to put in any details because I don't want to muddle up a Sharpie, but when you're coloring it all green, right here just make it lighter green and then put in some of these seeds that go at a ray direction right about here. And then we can add in a strawberry maybe. So maybe the part of a strawberry, so just round this part off. Down and then right back in. And let's see, maybe we can put in a chunk of pineapple right here. So detail, and like the strawberry and the kiwi, I don't want to muddle up, so when you're coloring, just make the center part lighter to make it look like a strawberry. And so those are the main fruits. So let's go ahead and bring it to life first. I'm going to come about right here and put in some draw circuit eyes so that we know how much space we have left to put in more fruit if we need. Come right here and draw another eye. And so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and put in 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And now we'll come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then let's give a big smile and then maybe a tongue sticking out because it's very yummy. And cap it off. There. And so now that we have that in, let's come to the bottom. Maybe we have some space, maybe another part of a strawberry right here, maybe a blueberry, little crown at the top and tuck it in. Another one here. Maybe a raspberry. Little shape there. And I don't know, maybe we should just leave it blank. I feel like if I put too much stuff, it's gonna mess it up. And but last but not least, oh, let's add a heart right here. But like I said, this is just meant to inspire you, so you can put as much fruit as you want. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this yummy fruit popsicle. Oh, you know what? Sorry. I'm just going to put there's some space here. Put another blueberry right back here. There. Okay, so that's done now. And I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.